Hello everyone. So I'm going on a short and planned road trip suggested by a friend. So let's see how it goes. My first stop here after Chikbalapur, another 209 kilometers to go. Escaping from busy routine chaotic city life. Just had my breakfast here near Andhra border. Another 1 or 2 kilometers to go. Have to go another 39 kilometers to reach my destination. So the view on the way is amazing from the sunrise to the mountain roads. Entering the Gandikota fort feels like riding past the historic creations of magnificence, and it lies between Eramala Hills and Penna River. Hey guys, this is Karthik here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I just wanted to visit this place for a long time, and finally I'm here in Gandikota. I'll just show you the place. So this is the Grand Canyon of India. I thought they will take us in boating and all, but there's nothing like that. So I just came alone this time also. And the climate, it's too hot. It's not the right time to visit. We should be here either early in the morning or in the evening around like 4:35. So I just came in a bad time. I started by around 5 o'clock in the morning and reached here by 11 o'clock. The roads were not that good though, but still, when the Gandikota entry started, it was fine actually. So later, yeah, I'm here. I was searching for this place. Actually, I went off road and all. I'll just show you in that video. So I visited this. So one guy actually told me the wrong route. I went somewhere else, and then I came back here. I visited this temple over there. I'll just show you now. And finally, I'm here. This is a place I wanted to see actually, and yeah, I'm here.
Where you want to go?
I want to see the river. Yeah,
Go straight.
straight. Okay. How long from here?
1 kilometer just.
1 kilometer. Okay.
We also come in there.
Okay. Okay. So I decided to go check out the path this guy showed. Also, I'm just testing my infield on this muddy, swampy and rocky roads. And yeah, it went well. Riding here is an adventure in itself, but it's a different experience to ride on. Oh my god. No idea how to take it out now. Let me see. There's a stone that side. Let me remove that first. Huh? Huh? Thanks to this guy for coming out of nowhere to help me. Huh? Finally, that guy helped me out. This is the Madhavaraya temple. So the entry for the fort and the temple is completely free. I'm just going to walk around to adore the beautiful architecture of the ancient days. The temple has no statues or idols of any god, which is a very modern thought according to my belief. Just completed this temple. I walked like 2 kilometers. I'm damn tired now. I couldn't able to find this water place, so I asked people here. They said from here it is another 1 kilometer. So let me see. It's too hot here. I think we are going to the correct place, Pena River Valley. Here I am finally at the destination, the Pena River Valley, also known as the Grand Canyon of India. It has a beautiful and spectacular view, as you can see. Oh, it's around like 3 o'clock, so I'm planning to leave now. So just a short trip, I'm not going to stay here and all. So like this only I'm going to do hereafter for a few days whenever I get time on weekdays or in weekends. So I'm planning for all short trips, just 150 to 50 kilometers from Bangalore. So do let me know if you have any suggestions for my next trip. So this is all about today. I just came here, just chilled out for some time, and then I'm going back to Bangalore. So yeah, see you all in the next video. Bye, take care, stay safe. There's also a Mailavaram boating place nearby. Thanks guys, riding out for now.